Hello, and welcome to another Super Support video. Today, we're going to be going over driver management inside of Carrier TMS. The first thing you're going to want to do is start by logging into Carrier TMS at superdispatch.com. Next, you're just simply going to click on the Drivers tab located on the left-hand side of the screen. To add a new driver, simply click on the Add Driver button. Next, you're going to input their name, email, phone number, and trailer capacity. After adding them, you'll be notified that a text and email have been sent to the driver to complete their sign-up. If no message arrives, simply hit Resend Link. Suppose you need to deactivate a driver who's no longer on your team. First, select the desired driver, and then just click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and then select Deactivate from the options. To reactivate them or another driver, just follow the same steps again. If you made an error and need to delete a driver, here's what you need to do. Simply click the three dots once more and select Delete from the drop-down menu. Please exercise caution with this action. It should only be utilized if the driver has not been assigned any loads. If you do decide to delete them, any assigned loads will end up back in the new section. If your driver has forgotten their password, here's the next step. In the upper right-hand corner, click Reset Password. After clicking Reset Password, a password reset email will be dispatched to the driver's listed email address. If the email hasn't arrived, you can resend it after a 10-minute wait period. Remember to tell the driver which email received the reset link, as they may have multiple emails they are using with us. And that's it. You are now ready to manage your drivers inside of Carrier TMS. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the support team. We can be reached at support@superdispatch.com Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time.